Alrighty, hi guys. Today I have my recent purchase that I'm going to unbox for you guys. So, if you guys are ready, let's get into it. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. At that time, I will be doing giveaways. So you guys please support me in obtaining this goal. So, 1,000 subscriber guys, let's get it. Let's get into my sneaker review. Alright guys, so here we go. As you can see, I purchased this from Foot Locker. Old Faithful. Wanted it off of the sneakers app, of course. So, and judging from this box, I'm pretty sure you guys can kind of tell what this is. See the texture there? Got your chrome Jumpman there. Like I told you guys, my size, grade school size 7, women's 8.5 or 9. I'm really kind of anal about my shoe boxes, as this one here was creased like someone just threw it, but I guess I'll just have to roll with it. A little damage here, which I'm not happy about, but hey. Alright, let's look at the contents, shall we? Alrighty guys, and here we are. Jordan Retro 11 Low Blue Snakeskin. Give you a look of it. Jumpman there on the back. The infamous 23 on top. Third lace logoing. Pretty cool. Alright, so before we go any further, we'll talk a little bit about the old release. The original Blue Skin Low 11, I think originally came out in 2001. And on that shoe, instead of the blue sole, it had the gum sole. Same white mud guard middle inside here, and the carbon fiber as well. But this time, I believe the ice blue kind of upset a lot of people on the sole, because for some reason the shoe is not sold out. It's still available. But I like this one. And to be honest with you, I wasn't even aware of the one that came out in 2001. But yes, the original had the gum sole, and I believe that was all that was different on that one. So, but to this year's release, Blue ISO, I love it. I am a huge fan of 11s. I think I have like 20 pair of 11s. The collection will still grow, because we have the watermelon one coming out, and also the light bone. Oh, I hope I can get my hands on the light bone one. But this one, the blue snakeskin, I think what's keeping a lot of people away from this one is the type of snakeskin texture here. It's not as defined as an actual type snakeskin pair would look. Like if you look at the watermelon pair, the pictures of it is like more of a scattered pattern of snakeskin. This, you can kind of see it, but it's mostly black, and I think because it blends in with the blue, it's just kind of hard to tell. It looks like they just wrapped the shoe in something. But it is snakeskin. The texture is smooth. It doesn't feel kind of rough and scaly like normal snakeskin textures would on a shoe. But, and all, I just think it's nice. Like I said, the blue sole is what got me on this one. I don't think I would have gotten the gum sole one. That just doesn't go with it for some reason. But, again, you have the blue snakeskin here that takes place with patent leather, which is normally in this area on 11s. You have your infamous Jumpman here on the sole. Have your paw prints in navy. Got your carbon fiber here. And inside, you have the Jumpman there on the tongue. And you have the leather. This leather is like really, really silky smooth. I really like that. It's going to be very easy to keep clean. I don't think you have to spray it with the guard or anything. Now this here, the insert around the heel, that's kind of like a silky material, and that probably will discolor pretty quickly. I mean, just from like trying it on for a second or two with an ankle length sock, yeah, that's going to discolor with lotion and so forth. So you may want to spray that with some type of protectant. But all in all, very nice shoe. Always have been a fan of the thick laces on the 11. The Concord that they released this year, or was it last year? When did the Concords come out? Oh, I think they came out December 8th last year. But yes, the thick laces on that, I fell in love with. So with them coming out with the thick laces on this one, definitely sold me on that as well. So yeah. This is a really nice shoe. I hope that you guys leave me a comment down below to let me know if you copped it, and if you did, what was your favorites about it, your dislikes, so forth. But like I say, I'm just a big fan of 11s overall. I think the only 11 I haven't purchased here recently was a platinum tint. That one I felt was a very hot mess, but that's just my opinion. But I love this shoe. I'll probably be giving you guys a side-by-side pic of this one and the one like 82, the high top blue and white 11. But yeah, this is it. The Jordan Retro 11 Blue Snakeskin.